Question number 1. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? The correct answer is option C, France. Question number 2. What is the name of the famous clock tower in London? The correct answer is option B, Big Ben. Question number 3. Which device is used to measure blood pressure? The correct answer is option A, sphygmomanometer. Question number 4. What year was the first iPhone released? The correct answer is option C, 2007. Question number 5. In which country was cricket first played? The correct answer is option B, England. Question number 6. Who has won the most Olympic gold medals? The correct answer is option D, Michael Phelps. Question number 7. What is the name of the Indian Parliament's upper house? The correct answer is option D, Rajya Sabha. Question number 8. Which country has the world's largest democracy? The correct answer is option B, India. Question number 9. What is the most common blood type in humans? The correct answer is option B, O positive. Question number 10. Which continent is the least populated? The correct answer is option A, Antarctica. Question number 11. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The correct answer is option D, the Ural Mountains. Question number 12. Which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located in? The correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. Question number 13. Which company developed the Windows operating system? The correct answer is option A, Microsoft. Question number 14. Which country has hosted the Olympics the most times? The correct answer is option D, America. Question number 15. In which country were the first modern Olympics held? The correct answer is option B, Greece. Question number 16. Which musical instrument has black and white keys? The correct answer is option C, piano. Question number 17. The Mona Lisa was painted by which artist? The correct answer is option D, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 18. Which continent has the least developed economics? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question number 19. Which country is the largest exporter of oil? The correct answer is option A, Saudi Arabia. Question number 20. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence, USA? The correct answer is option D, Thomas Jefferson. Question number 21. What was the name of the ship that sank in 1912? The correct answer is option B, Titanic. Question number 22. Who was the famous female ruler of ancient Egypt? The correct answer is option C, Cleopatra. Question number 23. Who was known as the Iron Lady of British politics? The correct answer is option A, Margaret Thatcher. Question number 24. Which African country has the highest population? The correct answer is option D, Nigeria. Question number 25. What is the name of the largest desert in Australia? The correct answer is option A, Great Victoria Desert. Question number 26. What is the name of the EU's legislative body? The correct answer is option B, European Parliament. Question number 27. Which system controls all bodily activities in humans? The correct answer is option B, nervous system. Question number 28. What device is used to look at stars and planets? The correct answer is option C, telescope. Question number 29. What is the unit of measurement of energy? The correct answer is option C, joule. Question number 30. Which dynasty built the Great Wall of China? The correct answer is option B, Qin dynasty.